Okay, next topic is adjustment. First, the meaning of adjustment entry. Here we are going to do the one single entry, and by the doing of that single entry we are going to correct or rectify the fault or omission of interest on capital, salary, interest on drawing, or you easily say any type of fault or omission of any type of income or expenditure we are going to correct by the doing of one single entry, that is called adjustment or close entry. Okay beta, as like that, if A and B are partners, okay beta, his capital is 40,000, 80,000, interest on capital rate is 10%, okay, and profit sharing ratio is 1:1. What type of fault is coming? We have just omission of interest on capital and directly distribute this amount or profit amount, and profit amount is 80,000. Okay beta, directly distribute this amount in partners. This is what? This is the omission of interest on capital. Just see the situation. If by the omission we are going to distribute this 80,000 in the partners, so A will 40 and B 40. Okay, one is this. And second, if we are utilizing this interest on capital, then so first calculate the interest on capital. What amount is it? 4,000 and 8,000. This total of 12,000 less from this 80,000 beta. This total of 12,000 less from 80,000 beta. Then we are going to distribute that profit. Okay. Then difference amount is 68,000. Distribute this amount in partners. Just see what amount is coming. 38 and it means some problem is there or not. If you are going to omit this amount or omitted the interest on capital, then difference is coming. Without the using of interest on capital, this amount will come in partners, and after the using of interest on capital, this amount will come. By that, for the correction of this, we are going to do the one single entry, that is called close entry. Actually, main problem is that this interest on capital is also for the partners, and this profit is also for the partners. Only problem is what? The ratio of distributing this amount. This whole 80,000 will distribute in the partner only. Maybe as a interest on capital, maybe as a salary, maybe as a interest on drawing, maybe as a commission. But all the thing is taken by the whom? By the partners only. Okay? But if you are omitted the some things or some expense or income, the problem is coming on the place the ratio, because interest on capital ratio is different, salary system is different, and profit sharing ratio is different. Okay, clear? What is the problem, is clear or not? If you are not using this interest on capital, then 40 and 40. And after the using of this interest on capital, 38 and 42. Then how are you going to calculate? How are you going to do the entry? Very simple fundamental. If you want to go on from place C, you want to go on place A. Okay? But wrongly you are going on place B. One system is what? Come back to C and then again go for A, and second system is, so that directly we are going to do. What is needed? This is right things. Okay, so first we are entered this right things. 38,000 and 42,000. Okay, on the place of this, what we are given? Then 40,000 and 40,000. Then check the difference. Here minus 2,000 beta, and here plus 2,000. Like that answer will come. If you are right, you are doing the right things, the same answer will come like that. One is plus and one is minus, and with the same amount. entry minus less debit. It means A capital account to B capital. 2000 and 2000. Clear? How to do the entry? Clear or not? Okay, now we are going for the question. Read the question. Question number 1. ABC are partners.
A, B, and C and D are equal partners.
A, B, C and D. 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's the first question.
Illustration.
Go for the question.
After the account.
A, B and C. 3 are the partners.
Yes, sir.
And rate of and capital is
8 lakh,
8 lakh,
4 lakh,
4 lakh and
3 lakh.
3 lakh. 4 lakh and 3 lakh. And 6% is rate of interest on
8%.
sorry 8% interest on
Capital.
capital. Okay, 8%. Then we are first. The problem is coming. They are omitted to charge the interest on capital and directly distributed that profit in the profit sharing ratio. Okay, read for yourself. Because without the understand the question, you cannot understand what are we all about. Okay, clear? Question is clear now? Then calculate interest on capital. This 64,000, 30, 2,000, 24,000. Okay. This is the main problem. We are omitted these things, na beta? The problem is coming of this amount only, na? We are going to total this amount. Total 1,20,000. Okay. Now distribute this 1,20,000 in profit sharing ratio. Because already they are doing this thing, na beta? If they are not giving the interest on capital, so already they are going to distribute this amount in profit sharing ratio. And profit sharing ratio is 2:1:1. Yes, beta?
Yes, sir.
2:1.
1.
Then it's a 60,000, 30,000 and 30,000. Okay. Then check 60, 30, 30. Then 4,000 in plus, 2,000 in plus, and 6,000 in minus. It's the minus C. Capital account debit to A capital and beta to B capital. Okay? And in the C 6,000, 4,000 and clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Go for the next question. One more. Yes.
A, B, C and D are partners sharing.
A, B,
C,
C and D and put. Make like that. It's a table only, beta. It's the only table. Okay.
partners sharing profit in 2:1:1.
2:1:1. Okay.
They distributed the profit for the year ending 31st March 2020, 9 lakh.
Okay.
Without providing for the following. Salary to A at the rate of 15,000 per month.
Wait. For that we are going to make some more space. Otherwise, not able to solve. Yes. A, B, C.
A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D and total. Okay. First is salary
To A at the rate of 15,000 per month.
15,000 per month. So directly put the things. These all things they are omitted, beta. So we are going to do these all things. Okay. We are going to give the all things, all the right things. Then we are going to check what wrong is there, and then difference amount. Okay. Next.
Salary to B and D at the rate of 30,000 per quarter to each partner.
B and D 30,000 per quarter.
Per quarter.
30,000 means
120,000.
120 and
120.
120. And this is only 15,000 per year.
Per month.
Per month.
180.
180. Okay, next. Finished? Nothing else? For C, nothing? Now calculate these all. 120, 180, 20 हो गया 3, 4, 20. 4,20,000. I have no space, but you will, I think, will understand. 240. Okay? 2,40,000. Now distribute this 2,40,000. 2 is to 1 is to 1. 2, 2, 4, 4 and 2. 6, 7. Okay? 7 means 140. 140 and 70 and beta 70. Okay? Then take the difference. It's a 40 in positive, here in negative 20, and here negative 70, here 50 positive. Okay? B capital, account debit, C capital, account debit to A capital and to D capital. Okay, it's 50,000 and 40,000, 20,000. Clear? How to do the question is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now start the solve question.